Let's grow some Big Max pumpkins. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be growing some Big Max pumpkins. These are the Wilco variety. Now Wilco seeds are available in the range, and I'll get a lot of comments on my videos saying there's no more Wilco seeds, how old are those seeds? Yes there are, they're in the range. So we're going to be sowing these. We're now in March and it says on the packet to sow in March. I've got an unheated greenhouse as I've not got a heated one. So we're going to be sowing these in here. We're going to be using our little trick of putting cling film over the plant pots to give them that extra bit of warmth, keep them moist and hopefully get them germinated fast. We're going to be sowing these in plant pots for the time being, and when they get bigger, once they've germinated, then we'll separate them all out into individual pots themselves. So yeah, we have got 10 seeds in each one of these, so 20 plants altogether. Probably all of them won't grow, but fingers crossed they do. If they do, we'll have a lot of pumpkins this year. But yeah, I've never actually grown a massive pumpkin in the past. They've just been like average size. But pumpkins require a lot of feeding, a lot of watering if you do want to get big ones. And I can't get down to the plot every day, so I can't water them every single day. So hence probably the reason why they're not always massive. But I'm happy with a decent size one. So let's get these sown and let's get these growing. So the plant pots that we're going to use these ones. We'll put about 5 seeds in each one. And yeah, once they get big enough, then we'll separate them out into individual pots. But we're going to just start them off in one plant pot to start off with. So let's fill up these plant pots with good compost. We don't need them full up to the top, so they're near enough to the top. So let's get the seeds and put them in there. Now pumpkin seeds are absolutely massive, so they're easy to handle. As you can see, they're pretty big. So we're going to pop these into the plant pot, 5 in each. Depending how many we've got, whether they've given us any extra ones. No extra ones in there. Do you reckon somebody actually counts them out to put in the plant pot? I'd love to do it. So that's all them done. So we need to fill them up with compost now and give them a good water. So that is basically what they look like. So like I said, once they start growing, then we'll separate them out into separate pots. So they've had a good water. So we're not going to use the cling film actually. We're going to use our Ziploc bag method. I don't know if you've seen it in the other videos. We use Ziploc bags to keep them moist and keep them warm. So there we have it. They're all in our Ziploc bags. These are perfect for keeping them moist, keeping them warm, and yeah, once they're germinated, obviously you can leave them on for a bit longer while they're growing. Rather than the cling film, you have to take it off because they need to get through. But yeah, they're perfect for keeping things growing down here at the allotment. So I've popped them in a nice light airy spot in his greenhouse, and hopefully they'll get germinated pretty fast with it hopefully warming up a bit down here. So let's come back later and see how well they get on. Show you droppers a follow to stay up to date with how big our pumpkins grow this year down at the allotment, as we'll give weekly tours and regular updates on all our plot. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.